We renovated 2 bathrooms in our home renovation. This bathroom, the first thing we did was take out this wall. This was a hallway, and this was a wall, one of the walls of the bathroom, and this is where the door was to enter the bathroom. So what we did was we took the hallway out entirely and expanded the bathroom to consume the hallway. So it's a much bigger bathroom now, and that allowed us to add this linen closet that will have shelves all the way up. And it also, under the stairwell, we added this, the space that runs under the stairwell, we were able to add a hamper for dirty clothes. So this will be on roller wheels, and it will roll out. There will be a door. You open the door and you roll it out, and it'll glide very easily on glides. The other thing we did in here was we retextured the walls, and then I faux finished the walls using sponges and rags. So I used 3 colors. First, the wall was painted with a base color, and then I wet the wall with a brush. I just, with plain water, wet the wall, and then I used rags and sponges very lightly, mixing it with paint medium, and blended the colors. So those were the basic changes we made in here.